Hello, my name is Courtney Horn, and I will be explaining the steps I will take as a teacher to build a positive community of learners. I strongly believe that students need a safe and controlled learning environment in order to learn and grow academically, socially, and emotionally. As their teacher, I will be caring, patient, and kind so the students feel wanted and appreciated at school. I will begin creating my positive community of learners the very first day of school and continue these efforts throughout the entire school year. I will shake every student's hand as they enter the classroom in the morning and greet them with a warm and kind welcome. On the first day of class, the students will create a large circle in the middle of the room where we will play a name game. The students will describe themselves using the first letter of their first name. For example, my name is Courtney and I like cats. This simple game will create connections with students as well as encourage thinking and creativity. After getting to know each other, the students will help me create a set of classroom rules. Having them participate in creating these rules will enable students to connect to the classroom and feel like they have made a positive contribution to their community. In order to keep communication lines open and available to students, I will designate 2 days before school and 2 days after school that I am available to help with homework or privately chat if needed. Keeping this line of open communication will encourage students to open up, ask for help, and feel comfortable speaking with me one-on-one. I will make a strong effort to get to know each and every student as well as their parents on an individual level so I can incorporate the proper cultures, learning styles, and interests of the students. I will create a get to know you activity worksheet that I will send home with the students. This activity will be completed with the students and parents together and ask questions about interests, hobbies, music, and food. This will help me implement activities that all the students will enjoy and educationally benefit from. Each and every day, I will end the school day by asking a few volunteers to share one positive thing that happened today while at school. For example, they did well on their spelling test, or they were proud of themselves for sharing their jump rope at recess. Students are able to express their positive experiences in a non-judged and welcoming environment, which aids in building a healthy community. With the steps I mentioned, I feel confident that my classroom environment will be safe, friendly, comfortable, and respectful. Students deserve the best possible learning opportunities, and in order for them to receive them, a positive community of learners must be present.